Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in, let's make this detoxifying wellness green juice that will supercharge your day. First on our list of ingredients is celery. I just love celery. It's one of my go-to vegetable for my juices. Next on our list is parsley, as you can see, and kale. I'll just discuss the general benefits of combining all of these ingredients instead of discussing them individually. This juice is a combination of celery, kale, parsley, lemon, ginger, pineapple, and leek. I have carefully selected this variety and combination of fruits and vegetables in order to offer my body a variety of health benefits. Firstly, this juice is an active detoxifier, a natural cleansing juice, so my body will get the opportunity of being cleansed because their detoxifying properties will help to flush out toxins and cleanse my digestive system. A combination of leek, celery, ginger, parsley will do just that for my body. By the way, this is leek. It's a leftover I had from preparing my Christmas meal, and I decided to add it because of its health benefits. The next reason for this green juice combo is to boost my immunity. Pineapple, lemon, and leek are very rich in vitamin C. This will help strengthen the immune system and ward off infections, especially during this winter season. Cold and flu are very rampant, so boosting the immune system is very vital. Now that we are fully prepped, all ingredients washed and ready to juice, it's juice time. Let's juice. And I'm going to be juicing with my hands-free, very convenient Nama masticating juicer. Another reason for the combination of these fruits and vegetables is to reduce inflammation. Now, ginger, kale, and leek are very rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Therefore, reduces inflammation in the body. It supports my joint health and the overall wellness of my body. And that makes me feel good. I feel good. My fourth reason for this combo is to support my digestive health. A combination of ginger, celery, and leek helps to soothe the stomach, reduces bloating, and promotes my gut health. As a woman over 50 and in her perimenopausal phase, where there is a lot of imbalance going on with her reproductive hormones like estrogen, I drink this juice combo to keep my skin healthy and glowing. A combination of kale, lemon, pineapple, leek, celery helps the body fight free radicals and promotes a healthy, glowing skin that reduces signs of aging. I feel good. Improving a healthy heart is also a benefit of drinking this juice combination. Kale and leek are high in relevant nutrients like potassium, which helps to improve a healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels, therefore promoting a better heart health. I also love to drink this juice as a way of hydrating and balancing my electrolytes. Celery and parsley are very hydrating and rich in water content, therefore keeping the body well hydrated and fresh. You see what I mean? Take a look at this detoxifying wellness green juice made from fresh fruits and vegetables that are readily available at your grocery shop. No preservatives, no additives, just fresh fruits and vegetables. Make food your medicine. Again, I say, make food your medicine. Once again, I'll remind you why I've chosen this combo. It provides my body with the powerful boost of overall health. It offers me detox, energy, and other essential nutrients for health and wellness. Make food your medicine. Make food your medicine. And this is the time where I say, if you have not liked, then click that like button, subscribe if you haven't, leave me a comment, share, and until I see you in my next video, make food your medicine. Click on those videos that are popping up. I'm sure you will find them insightful. Bye.